Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. It's been a few weeks I haven't posted a video. I was a bit busy with my work, so now we're going to start doing a bit more videos regularly. Today we're going to look at the JLab Air Pop. So it's a really small earbud. It's around $20, around 18 pounds. So if you live in UK, it's going to be 18 pounds. There's a lot of reviews and everybody saying good thing about the earbuds. Today I'm actually going to try it out, see how the audio is. Before we open it, I'm just going to highlight the key features. It's coming in quite a lot of colors. You have black, you have lilac, you have green. So quite a lot of colors you can pick and choose. The one I bought is the black. So 32 hours of battery. You have 8 hours on the earbud and 24-hour plus on the case. Both of the earbuds can be used individually or together. So if you are out of charge in one of the earbuds, you can use the other one. You do have an auto connect. So if you take it out of the case, when you connect, you take it out of the case, it's automatic connect. So you don't need to reconnect the earbud over and over. IP4, sweat and water resistant. So you can use it for workouts. If you're going for a run, you can go for a jog, you can use it. Everyday use, you can use the earbuds, not a problem. So it does come with a 6mm dynamic driver, so it's quite loud for a small earbud. So Bluetooth 5.1, so it's supported by Bluetooth 5.1, and you get 2 years warranty instead of the 1 year warranty. The company have quite a lot of faith in their earbuds, so they're willing to put 2 years warranty on them. It does have a built-in wire back of the case, so you can open this up. So you have 3 different sizes of ear tips. So you have medium, large, and the small and the earbuds. Built-in charger in the back of the case, so you don't need to worry much on the losing the charging cable. That is going to be your earbuds. Really nice case, close quite quick, and the earbud is quite small as well. So it does indicate how much battery it has. So it's at the moment is red. So magnet is good, so it doesn't fall off. So when you come to the earbud is very small, very similar to the Samsung earbud. So it's very small and like lightweight. Now we're going to try the audio, and we're going to try out the mic quality and see how the audio is.
Turn right at the Texaco, then anywhere we wanna go, I know I'm gonna get there next to you. And baby, I know wherever we go, got the wind at the backs and the sun coming through our windows. Burn it down, pulling out of that KOA, on the road in our Chevrolet. Turn right at the Texaco, then anywhere we wanna go, I know I'm gonna get there next to you. And baby, I know wherever we go, got the wind in the backs and the sun coming through our windows. Burn it down.
This is the mic audio from the JLab Go Air. So you should be able to hear my voice very clearly. This is the indoor, so you should hear my voice very clear. There shouldn't be any distortion. Now I'm opening the door. Now you should be able to hear my voice and a bit more outside noise as well. So let me know how the audio is on the earbuds. So the earbud sounds really good for £20. Really good bass. I do like the audio clarity. It's not that bad. So you do get an EQ settings. So you just need to double tap on the earbud. It will take you to the JLab EQ setting. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a dedicated app for this earbud, so you need to use that. Or if you are Android user, you can use the Android EQ. In my opinion, is affordable earbud with a really good audio. So I don't think you can go wrong with the earbud. When you come to the audio quality with the mic, so when you come to the mic audio quality, it's really clear. I wasn't expecting that audio mic quality because it only have like a 2 mic. After trying the mic, I was really surprised how the mic audio quality is. So if you are looking for like a very cheap earbud with decent audio and really good mic, I highly recommend going with the JLab. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, we'll leave the comments below. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.